Okay, Ren, we're going to throw this boiling water out the window because it's going to make your mother happy. Let's make sure there's nobody downstairs. Okay, I don't see anybody. You stay back. Ready? Did you see that?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. Let's do it one more time. We have to replicate our results. It turned into snowy stuff. Back up.
Daddy, are you coming with the water?
Yeah.
With the boiling water?
The boiling water. We're going to try it one more time. Don't touch the boiling water. Alright, and don't jump out the window. Ready? I don't see anybody coming. There's a man. Yeah, we better wait.
We did wait.
Okay, ready? Don't want to drop him up. Go!
Look at that.
That's so cool!